test the wireless operation, open the door on the metal box located on the mount. Remove the bag that has the owner's manual inside. Remove the key fob from the clear plastic bag. Next, push and hold the black toggle switch on top of the metal box for 3 seconds. You may hear a faint click. This has activated the receiver so that it can receive a signal from the transmitter or key fob. Now push the upper left-hand button. You should hear a click. You may push the off button to turn off the wireless system, or the system will turn itself off after 2 hours of non-operation. The clipper is now ready for use. Repeat this process to turn the wireless system on again. Refer to the operator's manual for further instruction.